Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually, what we do on this channel is all about saving, promotion, discount, and just try to save as much money as we can with this economy. So, if that's something that you're interested, you come to the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy today's deal. So, what we're looking at this is mainly for like customers or people that already have Makita. Okay, so this set usually costs $149. Right now, you can get it for $119, which comes with the charger and the 4 amp battery. Okay, and right now they're currently giving one free tool, so we can click on it and we'll see what type of tool that we're going to be getting. So usually when they give us a free tool, I usually tend to pick whichever one that I need, sort of. However, some might just go with whatever the highest value is. And as you can see here, 129 seems like the highest price for this oscillating multi-tool. And the light is $89 and so on, and the blower 119. So I don't know, maybe if you need the orbital sander, you might go with that, or if you need the blower, you might pick blower, or if you need the flashlight, you pick the flashlight, however. But in this case, we can just try to select this one right here, and then there we go. Add both items to the cart. $119. Okay, so that's pretty cheap. Okay, so when Home Depot break down the prices like this, it looks like if um, if you order these two together, and if you do the pickup, you can only pick up one item and they'll deduct the other price if you didn't pick up the other price. For example, if you only need the battery and the charger, it's gonna come out to about $57.10, which is great. Or if you only need the oscillating tool, then it's only going to be like $61.90. Um, I've done this in the past, like so it will work. So if that's something that you want to go and you don't need all of the tools, then you just pick up one item and return the other, and you should be fine with that. Okay, but look at here, Makita. I don't have Makita. All of my tools are either DeWalt or rigid, mainly rigid. But as you can see, the feedback and the reviews for this is just, it's excellent, like almost 5 stars, 267. And what else? I think Makita, you can't go wrong with Makita, DeWalt, or rigid, or Milwaukee. They're all gonna be good. They are gonna serve you well. So either way, but if you have Makita already, and this would be a great additional to your system. Okay, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.